Transfer token from bitget to Binance on PC. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer token from bitget to Binance on PC. So first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget account. Now after that, head over to this icon wallet. Now click on assets overview. Now after that, from this sidebar, click on spot. So go here and you have two options. Just click withdrawal. Now after that, you can now select the token that you want to send. So for example, I will send like Ethereum. Now after that, below withdraw to, make sure to select on chain, not internal transfer, because the internal transfer you will send just from the bitget to bitget user. Now select on chain to send to another platform. Now after that, select the network and make sure to select Ethereum or BCP. Now here you can see what suits you. The fees is difference from one to another. So as you can see here, you can pay $1, 0.1. So arbitrary. Now just select Ethereum. Now after that, go to Binance to get the wallet address. Now how to get it? Just make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Now head over to your, now click on deposit, Now here click on deposit crypto. Now after that, select the coin as the same as you selected here. Now for me, I will select Ethereum like you see here. Now the network, select Ethereum as you selected here and make sure you select the same. But if you select another wallet, another network, you will lose your Ethereum. Now so that they give you the wallet address, not just click on copy. Now go to bitget and paste it here. Now after you paste it, click on next. And here enter the amount that you want to send for Ethereum, like 0.2. Now here how much fees you will pay and how much you will receive, and after that click on withdrawal and finish the transfer process, and you can now transfer token from bitget to Binance on PC. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.